Good morning. I hope you enjoyed watching the Edpuzzle video about Malala. Today we are going to read Chapter 14, called Secret School. First, let's preview some vocabulary words for Chapter 14. The first word is showpieces. Showpieces are something that attracts attention or admiration as an outstanding example of its type. Kind of like the statue that you see of the horse right there. The next word is bunker. Bunker is a defense military fort designed to protect people and valued materials from falling bombs or other attacks. So people actually hide and bunker down in there. The next word is furiously. Furiously is in an extremely angry manner. And the last word is reprimand. Reprimand is a strong, formal statement of disapproval. All right, that's it. Please enjoy Chapter 14. When you're done, make sure you answer the questions on the Google document and turn it in. Have a great day.